What is the value of the product? 1 plus 1 over 1 times 1 plus 1 half times 1 plus 1 third times 1 plus 1 fourth times 1 plus 1 fifth times 1 plus 1 sixth. The choices are 7 sixths, 4 thirds, 7 halves, 7, and 8. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. The key idea is to rewrite each factor with a common denominator. 1 plus 1 over 1 is 2 over 1. 1 plus 1 half is 3 halves. 1 plus 1 third is 4 thirds. 1 plus 1 fourth is 5 fourths. 1 plus 1 fifth is 6 fifths. And 1 plus 1 sixth is 7 sixths. Now watch what happens when we multiply these fractions together. Each numerator cancels the denominator of the next fraction. The 2 cancels. The 3 cancels. The 4 cancels. The 5 cancels. And the 6 cancels. This is called telescoping. After all the cancellation, we are left with just 7 over 1. Which is 7? The answer is 7. Choice D.